this riddle again. And what is this? This is Flora Clops. Flora Clops is a humanoid. She's my great-great-great-grandchild with trace values of my own DNA and genetics in her. Flora Clops was designed to live on an M-class planet. She doesn't need oxygen, and she can handle high amounts of radiation. She's a mixture of human, plant, and several other species. She exists very well and very peacefully with several other humanoid species on Utopia. She is the future of humanity. The only way that we will survive is for our seeds to be scattered out into the universe. And our present DNA is way too fragile. So, science is currently working on how to alter, improve, and prepare us or our humanoid ancestors for space travel. Pretty cute. I wouldn't mind being Flora